Hi there. So in this practice, you are exploring your state's court system. We're going to do Florida, but you can just see from what we do kind of how you should do it for your state if you're not going to be practicing in Florida. And this is really important to know your court system because in 4.7 of Research the Law, you're going to learn about binding precedent. And whether precedent is binding depends on what court you're in and what court produced the case law. So you really need to know this. Now, I Googled here Florida State Court Chart, and the first thing that came up was this official website for the Florida State Courts. And that's actually a great website. We're going to go there in just a second. If you click on images, you get a whole lot of different charts. This one here is a comprehensive one, and so is this one next to it. These are both actually from Florida's official website, which, like I said, is this first one that comes up here. So we're going to go right to that. And here's all of the courts described on the official website. And this one here, it shows that Florida has 4 different layers to a court system. Normal states have like 3, but that's fine. You can figure it out. So I'm going to start at the top actually and work down. I know in the practice we went the other way, but the Supreme Court, this is the website for the Supreme Court. You can just click on it there. That binds all states in your jurisdiction. It's called the Supreme Court of Florida. And then here, the second layer is the District Courts of Appeal. The District Courts of Appeal are divided up geographically. So you look to see what geographic region you're in, and then that's your District Court of Appeal. So if you're in like Tampa, Florida, or Riverview, Florida, at the Western Michigan Cooley Law School campus there, then you're in the 2nd District Court of Appeal. So anyway, that's kind of the mid-level, one layer down from the Supreme Court. And then down from that, we have the trial courts. Circuit court and county courts are called trial courts because that's where you start litigation and you sue people depending on how much money is at stake and things like that. But anyway, the trial courts, we click on those. Here it has a geographic map of all the courts, and we're actually Hillsborough County, which is where Tampa is, and Riverview, where the Cooley Law School campus is in the 13th district. I'm sorry, the 13th circuit. So here is that website. And then if you Google the address, it shows you exactly where it is right here. And then there's lots of nifty pictures here in the Google Maps area, so you can familiarize yourself with the courthouse. So anyway, that's the court system for Florida. You need to know the names of each of those layers of courts so you can intelligently talk about them. Okay, see you back in the book.